You were told solar is going to save you money, and it absolutely will until something breaks, because it always will eventually. When that happens, you could be seeing a lot of your savings going right out the window to surprise repair costs. Like right now, net metering is disappearing across the country. If you're in one of those markets, it's becoming more and more popular to put in batteries with your solar. But when you have a failure in your panels or your inverter or even your battery, you could be spending hundreds or thousands of dollars in repair costs you weren't expecting, unless you have the 30-year shield. Solar and battery storage are a great investment, and more we're seeing homeowners adding batteries to their new solar installations. You not only want to produce all that great clean power, but you want to keep it, right? And if you're in one of these markets where net metering is disappearing, that's the important part, is keeping it. But here's a reality check. Our data shows that when you have to replace a solar panel, it costs on average $650 to do so. And when you have to replace an inverter, it costs on average $483. That's because most manufacturer warranties only cover the parts. They don't cover the labor costs. When it comes to batteries, failures are obviously a big problem, but there's also regular degradation that's built into the normal operating life of the system. Think of it like your cell phone battery. Over time, it holds less and less and less of a charge, and eventually your investment starts to become a liability. Now, when failures happen, you could be throwing a lot of money into $1,000 or more for repairs. So yeah, you save some money energy bills, but it's not exactly the ROI you were expecting. And that's exactly why we at Solar Insure engineered SI-30 Total. Since 2006, we've been helping homeowners and solar businesses alike to reduce their risk. We provide the nation's leading independent, financially backed solar and storage warranties. And SI-30 Total is a complete game changer. When we came out with SI-30 Total, the thought was simple: provide peace of mind for the growing number of people who are installing solar and batteries together. When you have SI-30 Total, you have a 30-year warranty that covers you on all the critical components of your system, including your panels, your inverters, your racking, your optimizers, and the battery, tripling the warranty on the costliest component of your entire system. SI-30 Total also gives you one battery replacement after the manufacturer warranty period ends when the capacity drops below 50%, so you could bring that capacity back up and skyrocket the lifetime value of that battery. Warranty also comes with roof protection, so you can reseal and reflash issues that show up within a certain distance of your mounting hardware. All of our Solar Insure warranties are backed with manufacturer default protection from Zurich North America. So if something were to happen to your equipment manufacturer or your installer, you have an additional layer of coverage. And the best part about all this too is that there's zero deductibles, zero onboarding, zero going fees. You can even transfer this warranty, so whether or not you're in your home for 30 years, you or somebody else can get an amazing value out of your solar investment. Now, let's talk about that battery replacement for just a second, because that's where the math here gets really interesting. So most battery warranties are going to be about 10 to 12 years, and they typically add in a 3% annual degradation, which means on a linear scale, that battery would be under 50% capacity by year 17. Now, that's long after the manufacturer warranty periods have ended. But if you're protected by SI-30 Total, you get a free battery replacement once you hit that mark. By doing this, replacing the battery at that time, it means that you can increase the lifetime 30-year value of that battery on your home by over 40%. And that's before we even factor in utility rate increases. If you factor in utility increasing year over year, that lifetime value skyrockets even further. How does SI-30 Total work? Well, you work with your original installer and they handle everything. They talk to the manufacturers, come out, do the repairs, swap out the equipment, and then file a claim for us to reimburse their labor. You pay nothing, just get your system fixed. And if your original installer is out of business, which unfortunately happens more often than you might think, you can contact us directly and we'll have our expert team work with the manufacturers on your behalf and send a certified service provider out to fix the equipment at your home, and you still pay nothing. Solar Insure warranties like SI-30 Total are only available through a Solar Insure certified provider. So if you're out there looking for solar, you can contact our team. We can find you a certified provider near you. Or if you're talking with other solar installers in the area, ask them if they're Solar Insure certified. If you're a solar installer and you become a Solar Insure certified provider, you can now offer SI-30 warranties to your customers. And it also lets you turn your service department from a cost center into a profit center. That's right, you can get paid for the work you're already obligated to do for your customers and really deliver true long-term value. If you're interested in becoming a certified provider, check out the video description. I'll put a link in there about how you can apply and what that means and what it takes. But the bottom line is that solar and storage is an incredible investment, but you have to protect it the right way. SI-30 Total gives you 30-year coverage on all the critical components of your system, labor costs, and a battery replacement. And it could save you thousands down the line. Don't let surprise repair costs wipe away your energy savings. Get the peace of mind that your solar and storage system truly deserves. Check out the video description to learn more. You can learn more about the SI-30 Total warranty, how to find it, and if you're a solar installer watching this video, how you can apply to become a Solar Insure certified provider. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest solar content.